The error code 1726 on a Canon G3420 printer means that the maintenance cartridge is full. The maintenance cartridge is a small cartridge that collects ink waste from the printer. When it is full, it needs to be replaced. To fix the error code 1726, you will need to replace the maintenance cartridge. You can buy a new maintenance cartridge from Amazon. Here are the steps on how to replace the maintenance cartridge on a Canon G3420 printer. Turn off the printer and unplug it from the power outlet. Open the printer's top cover. Locate the maintenance cartridge. It is a small, black cartridge located near the bottom of the printer. Remove the old maintenance cartridge by pulling it out of the printer. Insert the new maintenance cartridge into the printer. Make sure that it is properly seated. Close the printer's top cover. Plug the printer back into the power outlet and turn it on. The printer should now be able to print without the error code 1726. Make sure that you are using a genuine Canon maintenance cartridge. Third-party maintenance cartridges may not work properly.